number one interior design trick that you can do to your home to make your home look better than it is. G'day, I'm Aussie Tobes. Now, some of you are probably going to be really surprised or even roll your eyes and go, oh, duh, I can do that. The number one interior design trick that you can do to your space to make your space look amazing is clean it. Clean your space. Get rid of clutter and keep it tidy. Now, do we all struggle with those three things? 100%. Look, I'm married. I've got 2 kids. I get how it works and how stressful modern day life is. We are all busy. And then some of you are probably even asking the question, well, what's a clean house got to do with interior design? When you start cleaning up spaces that you live in, you can start to understand the space you're in and explore how the space reflects you and how you reflect yourself in the space. I cannot stress this so much more to so many people because I've been in this interior design caper for about 2 decades and only recently got my formal qualifications in it. And I cannot tell you how many people do not clean or declutter their homes or even keep them tidy. I always say to people though, if you need help, there is heaps of help available for you. One thing I cannot stand is when you have people who are busy, busy couples, and what they will do is they'll come home, they will leave their plates all over the sink and on the counter, and then they will wait for, say, someone like a maid to come and clean it up on another day. And they might have, say, something like 3 days worth of just piles of dishes with stuff, just food on them, and it's just really, really unsanitary and unhygienic. My suggestion is if you're that busy you need to do, then fine, do the bare minimum, okay? Put something in the dishwasher. It's not hard. There's a lot of incidental stuff you can do as you go around your house. It's easy, do it. I would strongly suggest you get onto it, because the less you do it, the worse it becomes. If you like this content, please like and subscribe for more of these videos, and I look forward to seeing you next time.